Okay, guys. You're welcome to my channel. My name is Obin from Ultimate Digitals, and I'll be walking you through the steps on how you can make money online. Whenever we talk about making money online, what comes to mind is how do I make money online? What are uh, the quickest or the best method? So making money online is not easy, but knowledge on how it's done. So I will be showing you some of the best method you can make money online, uh, the legit ways, and how to go about it. So if today is your first time of coming to my channel or watching my video, uh, you're welcome. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you always get quality updates like this, because my videos are very inciting and educating. You can always watch and see what I do, because I do practical things. I show you what I have done and what I'm doing. So if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification as well, so that you always get updates whenever I drop updates. Then if you have any question, if you have any comments about what I've thought in the past or about this video, also drop it in the comment section. Then if you have any let's say any question apart from what I have shared here, or um, on other things, also let me know. Then if after watching this video you feel that there are some areas I did not touch, then you can also let me know in the comment section. Then I will do better in the next video. So this video is about how you can make money online. um, like I said, my name is Obi from Ultimate Digitals, and my channel I talk about how to make money online. What are the simplest and the quickest method? So I will be going through, let me say, 5 steps, or the 5 methods you can make money. One is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best way to make money online. I'll be explaining more. The second one is KDP publishing, publishing your book online. You don't need to be a guru in a book publication, or maybe you may be saying in your mind, maybe what you are thinking is, sorry, excuse me, I don't know how to write, or I have not written book. I myself talking to you, I wasn't an author before until I was tutored in this art of publishing books. Then I started writing. I've written many books now that are selling online and on different other marketplaces as well. So you don't need to be a good writer, or storyteller, or someone that is born with it. Nobody is born with books. Everything is about learning. So if you will be willing to learn, I assure you, you become a good publisher and also an author. So that is how it is. So because sometimes some people, the question I get is, how do I write book? Watch all my videos. I have so many videos I have done about how you can get started. Anyone you don't understand, anyone that you want to uh, know more or learn, then let me know in the comment section. I will be walking through the steps. So that is on that. So that is number 2 method. Then the number 3 method is the third method of making money online. I said number 1 is affiliate marketing. Number 2, um, Amazon publishing. That is publishing your book online. All right. I said the third method is I said the third method is domain flipping. That is one of the ways of making money uh, online. When it comes to domain flipping, what is domain flipping? Domain flipping is about uh, buying and selling of domains, names. What are names like that you can buy or sell? Any name. But what you always focus on if you want to make money on this domain business, then you look at have to look at the expired ones. When it comes to domain flipping, the expired ones are the ones that you can actually make out something reasonable from, because over time it has proven to be a good niche. If you buy a new name, if you go and register a new name, let's say you register a new name and you want to resell it, the chances of you reselling or getting a buyer is slim, because one, your name may not, definitely it will not have traffic, it will not have backlinks and the rest of it. So before you build your name or build a name to get to that stage, so many things would have happened. So the easiest way and the best way to go about it is for you to buy expired ones, and I've showed you how to do that. So if you have not if you don't know how to go about it, you can go through some of my videos is in the description below. You will see the links on the ones you can, how to go about it, the domains you can start from, expired ones, how to get quality and expired names to buy and list, and where to list is also there. So that's it. So fourth um, the fourth ways to make money online. So excuse me. When I talk about the first three, so number one is affiliate marketing, number two, publishing your book online, then number three is domain flipping, then number four, let's look at digital marketing. Is very, very important in today's world. You see, everything we are doing now is all about one marketing and doing everything online. So digital marketing is very, very important in today's world. So whatever you are doing, you are not online. I always say, is your business online? If your business is not online, then you are missing out on so many opportunities, because there's nothing you can do now without having a presence uh, online, either in the your social media handle, your website, so many other things. So all is about digital marketing. So if you don't know what digital marketing is all about, um, I will also refer you to my video as well. But let me just give a brief background. When we talk about digital marketing is about marketing uh, your business or your wares or whatever you are doing digitally. So that is just a summary of it. When you have to be on Facebook, on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and you are selling and you are advertising your business, or you are selling your course. Everything is about digital marketing. It also encompasses you designing a website. If you don't have a website, you having a presence on your website, how to monetize it, how to do search engine optimization, which is called what we know as SEO, and all this. These are what we call digital marketing. So you need a knowledge on how to go about this. If you don't know how to go about it, or if you don't have knowledge about it, it's very, very important you do that. So that is it. So the fifth one is what I will call teaching. Teaching is also a way of making money online. You see, when it comes to making money online, and we talk about teaching, some people may think that you have to, like as it was done back then, you have to be a teacher, going to the classroom, teach. No, See, everything is also done online. That just like what I said in the previous I said earlier, whereby you make use of digital marketing to sell your business and do sell what you do. You can list your courses on Udemy, even on YouTube. What you see me do now is also part of sharing my knowledge and my experience. What I do, I share it. So many people they list their courses online. So you as well, that thing you think you are doing that it doesn't mean much, but I want to tell you that it means a lot. There are many people that are searching for that knowledge you have, and you can actually share it and make money from it. So all these things are part of the ways to make money uh, online in today's world. So I want to let you know that if you have not started, then you may have to start now, so that you can join those that are making money, making income, making out a living online, because it's one of the surest way, if not the best way to make money these days. Um Passive income online, whereby you get a lot every month, week in, week out, without you sweating or struggling about it. So that is it, friends. I hope this short video, you know, will actually make impact, or you learned one or two things. And then, if you have not subscribed to my channel, if today is your first time, then subscribe. Make sure you subscribe so that you always get updates like this, because I drop updates every week on so many topics. I've shared so many topics on different videos on how you can make money online, how you can publish your book, how you can uh, do domain business, how to become an Amazon bestseller, affiliate marketing, and rest of it. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Then I want to give you one more special bonus gift. If you comment in the comment section, where is my special gift, I'll be giving you one of my bonus hack delivered to your email address, just to say thank you for watching my video, and also help it to spread the word out there. So, and I want you to also share this video and let this video go viral, so that those that are looking for legitimate ways of making money, if they come across this video and also my channel, they'll be able to learn how to make money or make out a living from online business. So if you have any question, drop in the comment section. But if not, till you see, till we see in my next video, remain peaceful.